Well, Hannah, I think one thing we need to do to understand sort of how to move forward around the immigration issue is to understand that we kind of need to get on the same page. That, and I'm really convinced that people in this country understand that immigrants play an important role in our society. I think, especially in California, I don't think there's anyone that walks out of their door and doesn't interact with an immigrant, either when they go pick up their laundry, when they get their food for lunch, when they pick their child up at the caregivers, the babysitters, when they decide to do a construction job at their house. They might interact with a CEO of a company in Silicon Valley who's an immigrant. I mean, there's so many interactions of individuals with immigrants in our state that we understand the role that immigrants play. I think the sort of bottom line that we all agree on that is that there should be a system that allows for people to be here lawfully, that we all understand the need to respect the rule of law. So I think that's one of the things that's fundamental to really understanding how to move forward. And that's why it's so important for Congress, for the president, to act on immigration reform. Because the system as it currently sort of sits allows for a lot of, allows for us, for this, for people who really have no way to lawfully be in the country, working and living in communities. So you have to give people the path to follow in order for them to follow the right path, right? And I think that's one of the problems that we have is the need for that reform to the system.